Okay. So till now we have seen general ledger, right? So any financial statements will happen through general ledger only. Now you are planning to do account receivables. So account receivables means who is going to be the receiver in terms of sales? Who is receiving? Who is going to receive your services or your products or your whatever? Customers, right? So how your customer cycle will be? Okay. In the same way, if a customer okay. Oh, okay. So if a customer, if you are doing an entry into the customer, so how you are doing your data entry in terms of general ledger? What is your master data? So your GL is going to be your master data. So each GL level, you are able to see your reports. Now, as account receivables, your entire cycle will be happen based on customer. So whatever the data entry you are going to do, which is going to be happen through customer only. Correct, sir? So to this customer, if you do data entry, how it is going to fetch to your general ledger? Okay. See, the thing is all your financial statements. Correct, sir? So now you are doing a data entry, that is invoice to customer.
Sir, can you please share the screen?
Share jealous, sir. Sorry. So all your financial statements will happen through your general ledger accounts. That is GL master data. Now, if you are doing a customer related transaction, let's take example of invoice. So here, what is going to be your data entry? What is your accounting entry? I mean to say, data entry means accounting entry. What is the customer invoice entry, sir? Customer invoice.
Purchase account data and customer.
Customer, sir. How purchase will happen if it is a customer? Sales account data to cash. What is your revenue, sir? Is revenue is nominal account or real account or personal account? Which one, sir? Revenue. Golden rule, sir. Real, you want a personal, real, and nominal.
Nominal account, sir.
Nominal means what, sir?
All expenses and losses directly.
Incomes and
Yes, credit.
credit. So what is your sales? That means what, sir? Whenever you are doing a customer invoice, what you are doing? Debit the customer, credit the sales revenue. Correct, sir? So here sales revenue is your direct GL account. Sales revenue is your GL account. But your customer is not a GL account. You are using customer. Customer is what, sir, in SAP? Is it a master data or transaction data? Customer. Any transaction data will happen through master data only. In general ledger, you are using GL account. In customers, you are going to use customer account, customer master data. So that what is going to be happen if you are having a transaction against each customer. So you are able to see the reports with respect to customer wise. Okay, let's assume you are raising an invoice. Customer is 1. What you will do it? Debit 1, credited to revenue GL. Correct, sir? Now, if I want to generate a report for one, am I able to generate or not? Yes or no? Yes. Reason, you have done your transaction with respect to customer master data. So that is the reason you are able to generate your reports with respect to customer also. Clear, sir? Now, you are doing a transaction against your customer. You are doing a transaction against your customer. How this value is going to update to your general ledger? So what is your customer, sir? Is it a liability or asset? Your customer data entry is asset side. So what you need to do? You need to map asset GL account. Your financial statements will happen through general ledger only, not by using your customer master data or vendor master data. So now what you need to do to the customer? Against your customer, you are going to assign a GL account. So customer కి నువ్వేం చేస్తాం సార్? You are going to assign a GL account. How you have done for your group accounting? Consolidation purpose. Within GL account, you have mapped your group GL. So whenever you do a data entry against your operational GL, will the value move to your group GL or not? It's moved, right? Same way. Now, for the customers, you are going to map a GL account. Whenever you do a transaction, immediately the values also will get updated to your general ledger also. Clear, sir? This is the option which is available only in SAP. None of the ERPs doesn't have this option. So here what is happening? You are able to generate your financial statements on real time. Real time means what, sir? You have done your transaction related to customers. You have done your transaction related to vendor. Immediately it is updating to your general ledger. There is no time gap. Immediately it is updating. So immediately what you are able to generate your financial statements. But in other ERP tools, there will be a separate system for account receivables and account payable separate systems. Then they will do a reconciliation postings manually. Clear, sir? That is why SAP we are going to say it as real-time system, real-time integration. So wherever you do your transaction, if it requests to update your accounts, immediately it will get updated. So that means you are able to generate your financial statement immediately. Okay. First, what we will see it, we will see what is your sales cycle. What is the shortcut for sales cycle? O2C, R2R, Union or sir, P2P, sorry. Procure to pay, order to cash. So your sales cycle is order to cash. Okay. That SAP SD integration, we'll see it post our asset accounting when we are in controlling module. We'll see finance with SD module. Till now, within finance, how we are going to use your sales. That is what we are going to see now. Without having SD module, if you want to apply your sales, then account receivable FIAR is the module. With sales, then it is FISD. Okay. So where you will have sales department, from sales you do sales, then the same will impact to your finance. Okay. SD process, we will see it later. First we will see account receivable process. Okay. So here first we will observe what is your general cycles. Okay. So if you want to sell, what is your first option, sir? So if you want to do sale, what is your first option? How you will start your sales? Okay, you will do purchase. Let keep aside of purchasing thing. Let assume you are having stock or you are having these services which is ready from your base. Okay, forget about taking it from third party. Now the respective stock is available with you or the respective services is available with you. Then in such cases, what is your sales process? From where the sales process will start? Sales process ఎక్కడ start అవుతుంది sir? This is not SAP language sir. This is purely your accounting. It will be there in your books sir, accounting books. Where your sales process will start? No. Purchase order when you will do it? When you are going to do purchase. Now here you are doing sales. The advertisement cost. To sell your product, you are doing some cost occurrence. That is not the correct. That is manufacturing. సార్ మీరు షాప్కి వెళ్తే ఏం చేస్తారు సార్ ఇమీడియట్ గా? ఫస్ట్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళారు, ఒక వస్తువు కొనాలనుకున్నారు, ఏం చేస్తారు సార్? ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారు సార్? డైరెక్ట్ క్యాష్ ఇస్తావా? ప్రొడక్ట్ చూస్తావు, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రైజ్ ఎంత అని చూస్తావు, దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏం కావాలి, దాని ప్రైస్ ఎంత అని చెక్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా, దాన్ని టెర్మినాలజీ ఏమంటాం? కొటేషన్ సార్. సో యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఏ కొటేషన్ టు యువర్ కస్టమర్. నువ్వు షాప్కి వెళ్తే నువ్వు షాప్ వాళ్ళకి ఏమవుతావు సార్? కస్టమర్ అవుతారా? సో షాప్ వాడు నీకు ఏం చేశాడు? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు అడిగిన దానికి నా ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇది, నా ప్రైస్ ఇది అని కొటేషన్ ఇచ్చాడా? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? ఇష్టమైతే కొంటావు, లేకపోతే వెళ్ళిపోతావు. కరెక్టా? సో అక్కడ జరిగే సిచ్యువేషన్ నే కొటేషన్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో యువర్ సేల్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ కొటేషన్. Starts with quotation. In quotation, what you will do? Then this is what you are doing it. This is what we say it as quotation. Once you received your quotation, then what you will do it immediately? Either you will ignore or you will purchase. Okay, you will purchase, but to you the shop is a vendor. For shop you are be there as a, so shop point of view, what is going to be happen? These are these two options only you will have it. Either your quotation might be rejected or the sale will happen to the respective shop. Correct, sir? When it is going to happen? So whoever is inquired, whoever got the quotation, if he ordered, okay, I am fine with this quotation. Now I want 10 quantities. Based on your requirement, he will provide his products or his services. So what is going to be happen, sir, next? అంతేనా సార్? ఇంతేనా జరిగేది? So you have requested quotation, he has provided, now you have rejected it. Then what is going to be happen? Will sales happen or it is going to be closed? The respective quotation closed in system. So when you are at shop, it is just a discussion in terms of quotation process. When you are having a huge business, then everything will be happen within your system. Okay, let assume Reliance is there. Okay, and you are going to be a big partner to Reliance. You are doing some supply to him. So in such cases, it is going to be happen through words or it is going to be through documentation. In real time, every business will do their day-to-day business in terms of documentation only. Every documentation is legal. Okay, they will have their terms and conditions, everything. Okay, now you have raised a quotation. He said no, then you have cancelled your quotation. If the case is yes, you have not rejected. If it is yes means what, sir? Immediately will create a sales order. Okay, sir. You will give a sale order. You will create it. Then, based on your order, you are going to deliver the respective products to him, respective services to him. Okay. Now here, either you may request either services or products. It might be anything. It might be a service or it might be a product. So now, if you are selling a product, what is your stock value, sir, at the beginning after selling of your sale? Let assume you are having 100 quantities of stock. Each product price is 10 rupees. What is the total stock value? 100 into 10,000. Now you have sell your products. You are selling your products. Assume you are selling 50 products. What is the stock value now after sale? 50 into what is the price, sir? 10. What is your stock value? 500. What is your sale value? Sale value of stock 500. You sold 50 quantities. Let's take example of 40 quantities, not be 50. So you sold 40 quantities. What is the cost of your sold products? 40 into 10 rupees. 400 is your cost, not sale value. That is your product cost. Okay. Now, what is your stock value? You are having 60 quantities in stock and 60 into 10, 600 is your stock value. So once you are done with sales order, next based on sales order, what you are going to do? You are going to do delivery. Correct, sir? Once you are fine with sale order, then what you are going to do, sir? You are going to do either you are going to do the respective services or the respective goods delivery. So here you will have accounting entry. I'm saying this is the entire SD cycle I'm explaining. So without SD, then I will take it out below all the things. So here you will have your accounting entry. What is your accounting entry, sir? What happened when you are selling your products? When you are delivering your products, what happened to accounting entry? No. Cash when you will do. Just think about in realistic way, sir. Generally, we are going immediately will give product, immediately will give cash. But before cash, before your product giving a cash, there is a time gap of 2 minutes in shop. Between the 2 minutes, what is the availability of stock at shop? Is it reduced or not?
Yes.
So what is your availability of stock? What happened here? Does it be stock increased or decreased? What is your stock? Is stock is real account or nominal account? Real account. Real accounts if debit credit, what say? If something goes out, what is going to be happen in real account?
Debit part comes in, credit part goes out.
Now, so what here went out?
Stock of income.
Stock. So what is going to be happen to your stock value now? Here, sir. What purpose you are crediting? What happened here?
Selling.
Cost of goods sold. Goods sold. Debit. Stocks account. What is COGS? Cost of goods sold. You are not giving your selling price. You are accounting your product price. What is your product cost? This is your P&L account. So now here what you are doing it? Debit cost of goods sold. Now at the time of billing, what you will do? Whatever the income you are getting, you are going to credit. So what is going to be your result, sir? Here cost, there income. Cost and income result is profit or loss. Correct, sir? Okay. Debit cost of goods sold and credited to stock. Is what we can say. This is O2C cycles are interview question mandatory will have it. So let in our example 100 quantity. Okay. 10 rupees price per quantity. Stock value 100 into 10 equal to. Okay. Now your sales order, assume 40 quantity. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు నీ దగ్గర ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి సార్ 100 ఉన్నాయి ఆర్డర్కి ఎంత వచ్చింది 40 వచ్చింది సో వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ 40 products to the respective customer. You are having 100 quantities and you got order of 40. Now you are going to give 40 quantities to the customer. So here what you are doing, you are delivering your goods to customer. You are delivering it. So once you delivered, what is your available stock, sir? Available stock 100 minus 60 equal to okay 60 is your no I thought you were sleeping. Okay, available stock is 60. Okay, now what is your available stock value? Current stock value Correct, sir. Here, what is happened? What happened to your stock? Is it increased or is it decreased? So, if it is decreased, what is your real accounts? Okay, sir. Children are golden rules. It is decreased. You are going to credit your stock. Okay. So here what happened? Cost of goods. Your this is your what's that? This 400. What is this one, sir? This is your cost, not sales value, not sales revenue or income. It is the product what you have delivered to your customer. What is the actual cost? సార్ నువ్వు 10 రూపాయలు వస్తూ ఉంటుంది నువ్వు 10 రూపాయలకి అమ్మావు కదా సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ కాస్ట్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ 10 రూపీస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ యూ వోంట్ సెల్ ఇట్ దట్ ఎట్ 10 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ యువర్ మార్జిన్ మ్యాండేటరీ ఓకే సో హియర్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అప్లైయింగ్ యువర్ మార్జిన్ దిస్ ఈస్ విత్ ఇన్ యువర్ బుక్స్ యు ఆర్ టాలీయింగ్ యువర్ స్టాక్ సో హియర్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్స్ సోల్డ్ అకౌంట్ ఈస్ P&L account and your value is 400. This is why you are adjusting your balance sheet value to your P&L. So here because of your delivery, what is happened, sir? There is a goods movement. That is what it is, right, sir? You are moving your goods from your stock to your customer. Okay. So here goods movement is happening. That movement, whenever it is happening, we can say it as operations. So your operationals are always P&L accounts, not balance sheet accounts. So here cost of goods is your P&L account and stock is your balance sheet. Clear, sir? Entry. Any doubt on this one? Okay. Now you have delivered goods to your customer. Next, what you will do it, sir? Next, what you will do it? Next, you will do billing to your customer. Correct, sir? సూపర్ మార్కెట్లోకి వెళ్ళి నువ్వు ప్రోడక్ట్ తీసుకున్నావు తీసుకొని ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది సార్ వెంటనే వాడు బిల్ వేసి ఇస్తాడా బిల్ వేసిన తర్వాత యూ డూ పేమెంట్ కరెక్టా సార్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఎట్ స్టాక్ యూ టేక్ ది ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ యూ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ ది బిల్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది బిల్ యూ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ యువర్ క్యాష్ కరెక్ట్ సార్ సేమ్ హియర్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఇన్ పేపర్ వర్క్ in big business it is going to be everything is going to be on contract basis or agreement basis and it is processed by proper sequence of it. Okay, now you are doing billing to customer. So here what is going to be happen, sir? Billing. Why billing is cash? At the time of billing, are you providing any cash? Once you receive your bill, then only based on that bill you will provide your cash. Before billing, you won't do cash. So at the time of billing, what is your accounting entry? So here what is going to be happen, sir? Billing means what? This is your cost of the product. This value you won't go give to your customer, right? This is into your books. So now you are giving a value to customer, selling value to a customer. Okay. So when you are giving a selling value, what is your sales value? Is it nominal account or real account? Sales. nominal. So what is happening here? You are getting some income. Income means which one, sir? Debit or credit in nominal? Incomes means credit in nominal. Okay. So what is going to be happen, sir? Debit, sales, income or revenue. Assume you are selling this 440 quantities at 5,000 rupees. This is your order. This is your sales order. You are selling 40 quantities at 5,000 rupees. So what is your sales value? Whom you are going to debit this value now? 5,000 you are debiting. Whom you are going to debit?
Customer.
Debit to customer. Now you have raised an invoice to customer saying that your bill is 5,000. This is asset, current asset, incomes. Your incomes is current assets. Then this is your sales revenue nominal income account in P&L. Clear, sir? These are basic account, basic books knowledge, sir, not SAP. Clear? Now you have raised an invoice to customer. Immediately what he will do? Now you have got the bill. Based on bill, what he will do? You
Pay payment.
So now, what is your next thing, sir? Payment receipts from okay, sir. Now we are receiving cash. What is your accounting entry? Debit what? Credit what?
Cash debit, customer credit.
Debit,
Cash.
credit. Here, sir. Here, cash means if you are in real time, what is going to be here? Instead of cash, we will say it as bank account. Clear? This is your general process. Okay. This is what we can say it as order to cash with SD module. Here you are doing a sales order. Based on sales order, you are doing some delivery, either service or goods delivery. Same way here, this is your bank. Again, within the bank itself, you are having a BRS concept, bank reconciliation. So you are having your bank, and the customer is going to provide either a check or he is going to do a online transfer or whatever. You normally in real time, the cash transaction mostly 99.99% won't happen, sir, nowadays. Everything is going to be do through transaction based, online only. Okay. So now the customer has been provided to check. Once he provided check to you, is the money is going to be available in your bank account?
No.
Hmm? Okay, whatever it is. Now assume your customer is provided a check to you. So immediately, does the cash is available in your bank account? No. But in terms of accounting books, customer paid or not? Customer paid, but money is not in bank. Clear as our situation. The other case, customer transferred money to your bank account, but the same not intimated to you. In this case, money is at bank, but system, it is not having your receipt entry. Clear, sir, what I am saying? Customer is paid money directly to your bank account, and what you need to do, based on that one, you need to clear your invoice. How you will get to know whether he paid to you or not? Either you need to look at your bank statement, or he has to approach you. Two things. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు వచ్చేసి మనీ పే చేసావా లేదా అనేది నాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది సార్? హౌ ఐ కుడ్ నో వెదర్ యూ పేడ్ మనీ ఆర్ నాట్? Either you need to inform or I need to look back my statement. If you inform, will I believe you? Why should I believe you? So immediately, what is my next option also? Bank statement again. So here in this case, what you are going to use, instead of using direct bank account, you are going to use a temporary account. You are going to use a temporary account. Okay, like your accruals. What is your accrual, sir? Adjustment. What purpose you are doing for adjustments? Is it real thing or it is going to be a temporary purpose? Clear, sir? This is also same way. So what is going to be used here? The temporary GL accounts. We also called as intermediary accounts. Okay, temporary GLs means it is going to be an intermediary accounts. Your intermediary accounts mandatorily need to have open item management. Then only you need to know which one to be cleared or which one not to be cleared. Explained, sir, in our accrual processing. Okay. So here what you will do it? Debit incoming bank GL account. It is not bank GL account. You are going to say it as incoming bank GL account. He provided a check. What you will do it? You are incoming check GL. He provided a transfer. Incoming transfer GL. How many you want? You can define based on your multiple nature of bank transactions. In a single bank, you will have multiple nature of bank transactions. Correct, sir? Either you can do direct deposit, check, wire transfer, ACH, Phone Pay, Google Pay, nowadays, or whatever XYZ services the bank is providing. Each one is a different nature of transaction. Everything is a nature of transaction. Now you need to know how much amount has been happened through cash transaction, how much is happened through wire, how much is happened to direct transfers or Google Pay or Phone Pay or whatever XYZ services provided by bank. If you want to know each transaction wise the money, you can use each transaction wise separate GL. Okay, each nature of transaction wise, how much amount is transaction is happening. If you want to know, then each type of transaction you will use a GL account. Sir, మీకు బ్యాంక్ లో వచ్చేసి 10 నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి నేచర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కి ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు నో సపరేట్లీ then you will use 10 GL accounts. I don't want to go each nature of transaction. Let it be just single account for all the natures. Then you will use one single incoming GL account. Clear, sir? Okay, na? Now next what you will do it after this one? What you will do it, sir?
Bank account debit and credit incoming bank account.
So here what is going to be happen? Now you are doing reconciliation. Now the money is debited into your bank account. So what is going to be your entry, sir? Debit bank account. That means the money is available in your bank. So immediately what you will do it? Debit back, credited to what, sir?
Income bank account. Here.
Why cash, sir?
Incoming bank account. Sir.
What is this, sir? What you are doing here? Sir, simple example. Let's take simple our institute itself. What Kona is doing here? Who is taking the final money? I am going to take the final money, or Kona is going to take the final money? Me. Okay. So what you are doing here? You are paying money. Okay. Am I thinking that you are paid money to me? No. What I will do it? I'll coordinate with Kona. So you are debiting first whom, sir? Kona. And then from Kona I am looking it. Then I am going to debit and I am crediting to Kona. So what is the balance at Kona? Okay. So what is going to be happen to your intermediary account here? Here bank is me. Intermediary account is Kona. Instead of directly asking you the money, I am asking Kona to you guys. So Kona is here intermediary person between you and me. Same in terms of real time. Between the respective business and respective bank. The intermediary is going to be your intermediary jail account. Now customer said that he paid to you. Then immediately what you are doing it? You are not believing your customer. You are saying that he said he paid it. So you are keeping that one in incoming. నీ దగ్గరకు వస్తుందా మనీ, అది వచ్చిందా లేదా, whether you received or not, where you will get it. You are going to look at your bank statement. In your bank statement, it is there as a debit account, debit balance. So in your bank account, it is debited. So that means what you need to do, whatever you have debited here intermediary, what you need to do here, credit. Sir, here, instead of using a bank account, you are using intermediary account. Then you will check your bank statement, and once you received, you are debiting to your bank account, and whatever the value you have posted here, the same you are receiving reversely. Same you are doing reverse. Okay, clear as our concept. Does you clear or not, sir? Still, anybody having any doubt? Online, sir. So now what is the balance of this GL account? Incoming and debit and credit. What is the balance of this GL? 0.
0.
Okay. Always your intermediary account balance should be 0. Even in your accrual process also we have done the same. Em sir smell? బయట చేస్తున్నారా? కొంచెం డోర్ clear a concept. Yes, sir.
Payment is from the customer. Payment are income then GL account. Okay. Secondary bank payment is received. So directly change the debit side direct bank.
That is what we are doing here.
They can directly change by the.
How you will do your legal entry? How you will change your legal entries? You have posted a document. So we should not change the document, right? Okay. You have passed your JV. Then why you are going to change that JV? Either you will cancel that JV or you will pass new JV. We are passing a new JV here. So instead of bank account, you are using some temporary account. Okay. Now you checked your bank and you confirm that you have received your cash. Okay. Now what you need to do normally, directly you need to put here the bank account. That is your expectation.
Normal ERP will directly change value.
Yeah. So if it is a systematic manner, you are not going to change this GL account. Instead of changing this GL account, what is your debit here? You are debited here. So simply I am crediting here. So one place you are debiting, the other place you are crediting, which means what, sir? You are knock off it or you are striking. In terms of paper, it is like a striking. In terms of system language, it is knocking off. And you are mainly moved to bank account. Now, what is your accounting entry from these two? Final entry. What is your final entry?
Bank account customer credit.
By considering these 4-line items, what is your final entry? I will keep money here also. 5,000 debit, customer credit 5,000. Here also 5,000. What is your resulted entry? Final resulted entry? Debit bank account, credit customer. Remaining two accounts, why you are not considering? If you consider those two, what is your final value? 0. One is credit 5,000, the other is debit 5,000. What is the result of it? So that is what your accounting entry. That is what you are doing, right? Debit bank, credit customer. This is your expected entry. That is what you are getting it, right? This is in terms of systematic process. This is your book knowledge, direct book entry, textbooks. This is the textbook entry. This is system knowledge. This is your O to cash, order to cash. So with this, it's completed. Clear, sir? This BRS reconciliation based on requirement or dependency, we will do it. Clear, sir?